All right, good morning, and thank you for joining us on the Friday edition of TVC Breakfast. I'm Veronica Dan Ikboy. Joining me this morning is Ibrahim Shita. Ibrahim?
Good morning to you, Veronica.
Good morning. Thank God it's Friday.
Yeah, it's Friday.
Absolutely. Counting down to the weekend.
Friday is just like the start of a new week for us.
Well,
just like
the week continues.
All through, absolutely. It's just like it goes on end.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Today we have an array of issues we will be looking at. Of course, we'll be talking about developments with regards to Nnamdi Kanu and the position of the courts, where there are talks about perhaps he might be looking at an out-of-court settlement, as some persons have called it.
That's right.
And some other things there. Then we'll also be looking at developments coming out of PDP in Edo State. The matter of some persons being expelled from the party, and then the controversy it is already generating as it is. We'll also be looking at matters around food security, and then we'll also be looking at developments coming out of Kano State. That is where we will begin this morning. Now, the Federal High Court in Kano has nullified the reappointment of Muhammad Sanusi II as the 16th Emir of Kano. TVC News senior reporter Ibrahim Isa has details.
It's another day full of legal battles to settle disputes arising from the Kano Emirate tussle. At the Federal High Court, parties have arrived as both the 15th and 16th Emirs of Kano, Aminu Bayero and Muhammadu Sanusi II, await a decision. The presiding judge, Justice Abdullahi Liman, during his ruling, declares the Kano Emirate Council Repeal Law 2024 as valid, but all actions carried out by Governor Abba Yusuf following its passage as null and void. This could imply that the appointment of the 16th Emir Sanusi II is invalidated by the court. Justice Liman further ordered all parties to maintain the status quo and say,
the court has nullified all steps taken after the order it made, and that those steps were taken in breach of the court order, and that is all. Subsequently, the court has granted civil proceedings. Since the matter is before the Court of Appeal, no court can take any further steps until the Court of Appeal determines the case at the appeal before it on the issue of jurisdiction.
The action of the state, that is the Kano State government, the first defendant and the fourth defendants are null and void. I don't know which of the action he's referring to. He hasn't specified any of the action that he's talking about. And apart from that, he doesn't have the, to my understanding, the law, that is the order of contempt, doesn't permit any of action to be declared null and void. Only what you need to commit the person to commit.
We trust in Allah. Today, 20th, we have heard the judgment or the ruling of this court. This ruling is wonderful.
Additionally, Justice Liman granted the respondent's application for a stay of proceedings pending the hearing and determination of a related case on jurisdiction at the Court of Appeal. Consequently, the case has been transferred to Federal High Court 3 for further proceedings. The Kano State Police Command had called on residents to remain peaceful and patriotic as the courts continue with efforts to resolve the complicated and sensitive matter. Ibrahim Isa, TVC News, Kano.